Okay, welcome back again. And what I want to look at this time is first aid. Okay? Now I'm not going to take too long over this. Okay? Because you should know this already, and a lot of it you would have done. But be aware that when you come to be tested on the online test in regards to city and guilds, you will need to know this. You cannot guess the answers. You must know the answers. Now I will be trying to add additional information to this from today's HSC. Okay, so look for the additional video which says about signs and signals. Okay. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.